In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image in Notion. We're going to keep this really simple and practical, so by the end, you'll be able to drop images into your Notion pages quickly, without hunting through menus or getting stuck wondering why something isn't working. We'll focus on the standard and fastest way to paste an image, using copy and paste, along with a few helpful tips so you understand what's happening behind the scenes. First, let's talk about copying an image. You can start with almost any image you see, either online in your browser or saved locally in a folder on your computer. If you're in a web browser, move your mouse over the image you want to use, right-click on it, and choose the option that simply says Copy Image. If you're in a folder or on your desktop, right-click the file and choose Copy. Both of these will place the image onto your clipboard, which is the temporary storage your computer uses for copied items. You can also capture a custom image using a screenshot. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and 4 together. Your cursor will change, and you can drag to select exactly the area you want. When you release, that selection is copied to your clipboard. On Windows, press Windows key, Shift, and S. Again, your screen will dim slightly. You can drag to select the part you want, and that selection goes straight to your clipboard as well. In both cases, you don't need to save the screenshot as a file first. It's ready to paste immediately. Once the image is copied, switch over to your Notion page. Click anywhere inside the page where you want the image to appear. This could be on a blank line, in between existing content, or even inside a callout or toggle if that's how you're organizing your notes. Now, paste the image. On a Mac, press Command and V. On Windows, press Control and V. After a brief moment, Notion will upload and display the image directly in your page. You'll see it appear as an image block, which you can then resize, drag to reposition, or move into columns just like any other block in Notion. If the image doesn't appear right away, give it a second to upload, especially if it's a large file or your internet connection is slow. If something goes wrong, simply copy the image again and repeat the paste step. And that's all you need to use the standard paste method for images in Notion.